Mom, you look very tired today. Your face looks different.
It was a very long and busy day, Leo. I had many responsibilities to finish.
You have been working since morning without rest. You should sit down for a while.
There is still dinner left to prepare. I will finish it quickly.
Mom, you always say we should take care of our health. Now you should follow your own advice.
Are you all right? You look like you might fall.
I feel very weak, and my body feels heavy.
You have a high fever. Your skin feels very hot.
Mom, please stop working and go to bed now.
I did not think it was this serious.
Leo, bring a glass of water.
Yes, Dad. I will bring everything quickly. Mom, please take your medicine on time.
Thank you, my son. You are taking care of me so well.
Now you must rest. We will take care of everything else.
Dad, I feel scared seeing Mom like this.
It is normal to feel scared, but we must stay calm and strong.
Will she be okay soon?
Yes, with rest and care, she will feel better.
I wish I could take her pain away.
Your love already helps her more than you know.
Dad, I don't know how to cook properly. What if I make mistakes?
Making mistakes is part of learning. Today, we will cook together.
What should we make for Mom?
Something light and warm.
Soup will be a good choice. I will try my best for her.
That is all that matters.
That is all that matters.
Mom, we made this soup for you. It may not be perfect, but we made it with care.
This is the most special meal for me.
Take small sips.
It will make you feel better.
It already makes me feel better because you both are here.
We just want to see you healthy again.
The fever is still high, but it is slowly reducing.
Can I stay here with Mom tonight?
Yes, but you need some rest too.
I don't want to leave her alone.
You are a strong son. Your presence gives her comfort.
Thank you for staying with me.
Dad, I realized something today.
What did you learn?
Mom does so much for us every single day, but we don't always notice it.
That is true. Sometimes we understand value only when things change.
From now on, I will help her more and take care of her.
That will make her very happy.
Good morning. I feel a little better today.
Mom, you are smiling again. That makes me so happy.
Thank you both for taking care of me all night.
Rest, care, and love help in healing.
Yesterday taught me something important.
What did you learn?
Even the strongest person needs rest and care sometimes.
And families should always support each other.
That is what makes a family strong.
I feel lucky to have both of you.
We feel lucky to have you too.
A mother's love is endless, but even she needs care sometimes.
True family means standing together in both strong and weak moments.